Hello traders, it's Andy with Trade Ideas coming to you with another Saturday video. And so far I've done 3 videos, I believe, showing you my homework each day. We've gone through a lot of these scans, and I've shown you how to use the position and range filters and other filters to create these scans that have the potential for a really nice setup, in certain patterns. And also created this doc, and I shared this with lots of subscribers over the last week who came in asking for this doc, and I've gotten a lot of good replies from people who have been using these scans and finding some really nice setups. But there's one step that I haven't gone over yet. I definitely want to hit up on this one because it is a crucial step. Okay, the first thing I do each morning is I will grab my watch list from the day before, okay, because I do want to go through all the symbols in that watch list to see if anything is setting up for the upcoming day, or maybe the stock just hit the trigger, went a little bit, and it still has the potential for moving higher in the day coming. Sorry, I had to hit pause. My dog started barking. So I will just start scrolling through. ANNX was on there on Friday, and boy, had a really nice move, has pulled back. NVIDIA was on there, and the trigger went off and had some nice follow through. So one that I want to watch come Monday, because this has the potential of going and taking out this all-time high over here. Allstate, another beautiful move above that 3-day high. I think that was the trigger, and a nice green bar with the possibility that it could move forward and try to take out this all-time high at 168. TCOM. So all these ones that I'm looking at will make the list, for the upcoming trading day. Did not trigger, but a break above that, that has the potential to be very explosive. All right, so that's what I do, and you guys have all the steps in the homework. Okay, so the videos going forward, what we're going to be doing, and this will be fun, is just going through these scans each Saturday and taking a look at the stocks that could be setting up for a potential move. We'll give a little market commentary on what I'm thinking, as far as my swing trades go as well. So let's dive in real quick. I won't have too much time to go through all the symbols today, but we can hit a few of them up. And I do want to talk about this. Pull up the SPYs, and because I mentioned this in my Friday video, this kind of a gap up and closing near lows with kind of a red body candle there. We didn't get a gap down, so that's not what we call an abandoned baby, in the industry, but this could be setting up for what's called an island reversal. So keep this on the back of your mind. Now, an island reversal would be a gap, and then you have maybe a little bit of a consolidation for 3, 4, 5 days with increased volume, and then you get a gap down. That would be an island reversal. So keep that in the back of your mind. We could just be gapping and filling and catching this move and averaging going higher as well. I don't know, but definitely on the back of my mind. And I'm going to point out another concern of me. My 2 favorite scans, Sweetness and Poised, have no stocks in them. And what does that mean? Well, let's take going back over the last 3 weeks. These things have pretty much been full with setups. Okay. And lo and behold, I pulled it up on Saturday morning, and nothing's there really except for one stock in Sweetness. So what that tells me, even though we didn't really have a major sell-off in the market, okay, it was a kind of a ho-hum ugly day, but it tells me that there could have been some deterioration, some more decay than what you see in the chart there. And what would cause that would be the market was pretty much being held up by stocks like NVIDIA, Apple, Google, the stocks that make up a huge portion of the SPY and the Qs. So keep that in the back of your mind. And also you look at IWM, small cap, and it had a really ugly day, all right? And not to mention the financials, XLF, which I did short on Friday, actually pretty close to highs there. But anyway, nice ugly engulfing red candle there in the XLF. So keep that in the back of your mind. And I can see the timer here. I'm not going to have a whole lot of time to go through stocks, but like I said, going forward, we will use pretty much the entire video just looking at stocks setting up after a little market commentary. That's a pretty nice one there. CNK. So I'll be looking more at this pullback scan, as obviously I'm not seeing a lot of my poise and sweetness setups, but you can catch some very good pullback stocks that have the potential for a reversal as well. So that's it, guys. I'm looking forward now. Like I said, you guys have all my homework. You know what I do, and moving forward, we'll stick to just finding some stocks. It'll be fun. So thank you for watching. Please give us a thumbs up down at the bottom, and I'll talk to you next week, and we can definitely move forward looking for setups. Bye-bye.